Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-L5100DN printer driver download and installations and how to connect. So guys, open any browser and Google search box to type like this, okay, printer and model number, and after that driver. This is first support.brother.com, this official website. So click on it, then select the Windows, Mac, Linux also there, mobile also there, Windows. Then select your Windows operating system. And if you are using Windows 10, so no worry about it. You can see this video and you can install it because of driver installations and printer connect process also same. Then click to OK. Scroll down, printer driver, click on it. Scroll down, then click to download. So it is completed. Then click on this icons where it is downloaded. So right click to open. Click and it will create new folder. So now guys, try to install, but before that you have to on your printer and connect to your desktop laptop via printer USB cable, and then click to start and then setting, and then click to printer and device, and then printer and scanner, and then add device. After that add manual options, click on it, select the last, then next, hard disk, click to click to browse and then go to these locations where it is downloaded, INF, and then click to open and then click to OK. Now find out HL-L5100. So this is your printer. Then next, finish. So this is your printer, it is installed, but before printing you have to restart your printer. Okay, so then if you want to share this printer to network, so click to printer property and then click to sharing and check it. If it is and check it, then click to security, then click to add, then type EVE and check everyone, so it will come automatically. Then give the access of 3 dot this side, allow all, and then apply and then OK. Now this printer has been shared on the network. Thank you.